Hello everyone and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Danny and I don't normally sell, actually that's a lie. I feel like I haven't had my real voice since moving to New York, to the point where this is officially my new normal, and I don't know if I love or I hate it, but this is just the reality. If this is the first time that you're seeing one of my videos, I am so happy that you're here and I really hope you decide to stick around. This is going to be yet another week in my life living in New York City. I moved here in June, and in addition to doing this YouTube channel, I work a 9-to-5 job at a tech company here in New York, and it keeps me very busy, very occupied, and I think this week is gonna be really good. So I would love to take you along. Today is Monday, October 11th, and given the fact that it's 11 a.m. right now, on any other given Monday, I would be hard at work, but I actually have off of work today for Indigenous People Day, which is coming at the most amazing time, if we're being totally honest. I spoke about this in my previous video, so we don't have to get too in detail, but I've definitely been having a rough go at things the past few weeks. I've been feeling very burnt out and just, I don't know, overwhelmed maybe is the word, but I think today is exactly what I need to just get my life together and do things that will make me feel good and make me feel refreshed going into this next work week. So that's the overall plan for today. I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna end up getting up to, but I do know that it's gonna be really nice to be able to go at my own pace and just do things that make me happy. But I've already told myself that this is gonna be a great week, not for any particular reason, but I think when you go into any situation with a positive mindset, you're already setting yourself up for success. So that's what I'm gonna try and do this week, and I don't know, I just have a good feeling about it. So let's make some breakfast now. My breakfast this morning was so good, but as I was making it, it reminded me that I need more hot sauce. So I'm gonna add that to my list of to-dos today to go and pick that up. But basically what I did this morning before picking up my camera and starting this week in my life is two things. One, I imported a bunch of footage that I haven't put into a video yet that I plan on posting, and I also went on Amazon and ordered some storage units for my room. I need one to act as my laundry basket, and then I also need some storage over here for this little nook of my room. I recently got a whole bunch of clothes that I'm going to show you guys in a little bit that I'm so beyond excited for, but the more clothes I get, the less and less space that I have, and I'm already not working with a lot. Alright, just did a little quick change, and I wanted to sit down with you guys really quickly and talk to you about the package that prompted me to order these storage units for my room, and it is from the one and only Princess Polly. So thank you so much to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. You guys know, if you watch my videos, how obsessed I am with this store, and you guys will be too. If you haven't already shopped on it, what are you doing? You can save 20% off your next order on Princess Polly by using the code DJX20, and if you do that, make sure to let me know what you order, because they have some really cool stuff for the fall time right now, so much so that I think I'm gonna end up using my own code. Just as a little reminder, Princess Polly does ship from within the United States, and they offer free express shipping on orders over $50 to the US, and they also offer ShopPay and AfterPay. So let's kick it off with what I'm wearing right now, because I have not been able to take it off since I got this package in the mail. This is a gray blazer, which is called the Hailey blazer, which I'm assuming is after Hailey Bieber for good reason, because it's very much something that she would wear. It is such good quality and so comfortable, and honestly perfect for the weather that we're experiencing right now in New York, because it's like 65 degrees, and I swear New Yorkers have no idea what to wear, because I see some people in parkas, some people in shorts, so this feels like a happy medium. Ever since the beginning of summer, I've really liked buying slacks or just like more dressy style pants and then dressing them down. I think it's a super fun look, and I found this pair on Princess Polly that I was obsessed with. Another thing that I'm kind of going through a kick of right now is the color navy. I never really bought anything that was navy. I always stuck to like black, white, gray, and brown, but here we are buying a whole bunch of navy pieces. So these are a pair of like dressier style pants that are navy with little gray pinstripes. They fit me absolutely perfectly, and I styled them the other day with this top that I'm wearing right now from Princess Polly as well, with some high top sneakers and then a little purse, and it looked really cute. This weekend was a big weekend for celebrating birthdays, and because of that I needed a lot of good going out outfits, and I got 3 pieces that were absolutely perfect for this occasion. The first of which, and all of these you probably saw on my Instagram if you follow me because I took pictures in all of these, is this skirt. I am kind of fascinated by zebra print right now. I don't think it's something I'm gonna stock up on, but I do like having a statement piece with this kind of print. So I found this skirt and I really like it because the printed part of it is like a mesh outer layer, and then it's double lined so it's not see-through at all. It is so comfortable and doesn't restrict you. And then another printed piece. I didn't do this on purpose, but I don't know, this was just the weekend of prints, I guess. I got this sheer button-down shirt. I've been wanting one of these for a while, whether it was just plain black or printed, I didn't care. I just really wanted one of these in my closet. I wore this with a black bralette underneath it and then some leather pants, and it was such a cool look. I honestly just felt really cool wearing it, if we're being totally honest, and it's just an easy thing that you can throw on top of an all black outfit that otherwise would be kind of basic, and it makes it a little bit more fun. And I also got this bodysuit. The main reason why I ordered this is because my roommate Amanda has this bodysuit and she put it on and it was the most flattering thing in the entire world. It's so cute, so I knew once I was working with Princess Polly again, I needed to have it for myself. It is this plain black bodysuit, seemingly so, on the front. It's just long sleeve, it has a little tie in the center, super cute, but then the entire back is open, and it's just so fun. To be totally honest, I picked up this next dress with the intention to maybe wear it to work, but I'm now realizing that it's definitely a better dress for me to just walk around in and run errands if I need to. I got this sweater dress from Princess Polly. It has buttons down the front, up at the top. It's a really thick knit material, which makes it perfect for the fall time. I got another jacket from Princess Polly, and this one is especially fun. Like I said, I think the colors that I normally stick with are black, white, gray, and brown. So I got this light brown jacket. It has some Sherpa lining all along the sleeves and then up at the collar, and this is something you do not see in jackets very often, but it's actually lined throughout the entire inside, which makes it so comfortable. It has some silver detailing as well as pockets up here at the front and a little belt detailing. It's just A+. I love this jacket so much, and again, haven't gotten the chance to style it, but once I do, especially towards the end of fall, early winter, this is gonna be my go-to. You guys know that every time I go into the office, I always need to have a big tote bag with me. That way I can hold my computer and any of my essentials, as well as a change of shoes if I want to walk home. So the second I saw this, I knew it was perfect. Like, look at the size of this thing. I already tried, and I can fit my laptop more than comfortably, as well as so many other things. And again, the color brown, it's kind of my thing right now, and I just think it's so cute. I will stand by it when I say that Princess Polly has the best purses in the game, especially if you're not looking to spend a whole lot of money. This is the place that you have to go to. I got this really pretty emerald green purse, and I even think that I'm gonna take it out with me today with this outfit, because I think it looks really cute. It's super spacious on the inside, has some gold detailing, just how I like it, and it's just such a unique piece that now I get to add to my Princess Polly purse collection. So that just about wraps up my Princess Polly haul. Again, if you guys want to get 20% off your next order on Princess Polly, use my code DJX20 so you can save some money and then also get some really cute pieces for the fall time. Since I'm already dressed in my outfit, I'm just gonna throw on a pair of shoes, pack up my new purse, and then run out, get a coffee, and then take a walk, because it's way too beautiful for me to be inside all day.
My friends don't care about
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You got a story to bring. We'll take you along, take you along, take you along to some other places. We drive towards the other horizon, maybe to spend a couple $100 till we run out, till we run out, till we run out of paper and change. So tell me if I'm starting to think so recklessly. I may just write a letter home to say goodbye to everyone and welcome to the show.
I got home from my walk and put on comfy clothes right away, literally right as I walked in the door. And then since then, I've just been laying on my bed and watching TikToks. My feet hurt a lot, and I think I kind of underestimated how much energy I exerted this entire weekend because we were walking around and going out and whatnot. So my body is definitely tired, which means I'm gonna try and go to bed as early as possible tonight. But I am hungry, so I'm gonna make myself some dinner. This is the Trader Joe's gnocchi with the red sauce. I always do the white sauce, but I really, really like this one as well. And then I normally add in some pasta sauce that I have with it, just to like spice it up a little. And I also toast a piece of bread with some butter. It's like I'm at an Italian restaurant, but not at all. I'm trying to decide if I should watch a TV show tonight or a movie. I haven't really had the desire to start a new show. Recently, I've kind of just been rewatching the same stuff over and over again, which I definitely tend to do more often when I'm stressed because I find comfort in my regular shows. I actually think that that is not a symptom. What am I trying to say? It's like a result of anxiety, like seeking comfort in familiar things, which would make a lot of sense. So I'm probably just gonna end up throwing on one of my comfort shows, which are New Girl, Friends, Gossip Girl, The Bold Type. I'm definitely missing one. Oh, Gilmore Girls. That is my top comfort show. Actually, maybe that's what I'll watch tonight. That's kind of what I'm in the mood for. Happy Tuesday, everybody. First official day of the work week, and I decided to go into the office today. Like I've mentioned, I'm desperately trying to get on a Tuesday-Thursday schedule. Maybe this will be the week that I do it, but based on plans that I tentatively have for Wednesday, I'm not sure if that's gonna happen. But we're gonna go in today. It's a really nice day to do so. It's very much fall weather outside, hence the reason why I threw on this blazer from Princess Polly from an old haul that I did back in February, I believe. But it's gonna be a pretty good work day. I don't have too many meetings, but I do just have a lot of like actual tangible work that I have to get done, which sometimes I prefer, especially when I'm in the office, because it allows me to just put in my headphones and zone in and get everything that needs to be done.
It's been months since I've been looking over, makes me so forgettable and struggling to comprehend what's taking up my peace. I can't stand what's on the radio. I'd rather play Chicago while
Okay, I just got home, changed into sweatpants right away, of course, and have decided to completely rip my room apart. For starters, I didn't even make my bed before I left, so my room was a disaster as is, but I got one set of those storage boxes that I was talking about in the mail today when I was at the office. So now I'm just trying to reconfigure my room and kind of just reevaluate how I've been organizing, because I just don't think I've been using the space to the best of its potential. So we're gonna play around with a few things. Obviously it's a disaster right now, but I'm hoping if you give me like 20-ish minutes, it'll look a lot better. 30 minutes later, and my room is looking so much better. I mean, first of all, made my bed, so obviously that made a really big difference, but I'm really happy with kind of the organizational tactics that I'm beginning to take. I took the 2 bins that I got in the mail today and put them in here. Down here, in addition to one of the bins, I have my shoes, my pajamas, which actually used to be in one of the drawers underneath my bed, but I moved them, and then my sweatshirts up there. And when the 2 other bins come in the mail tomorrow, I'm gonna organize all of this stuff. I've been watching a lot of videos recently about what to do when you're in a rut, and there are a lot of reoccurring themes that span across all of these videos, so I've been trying to follow those and see if they help. A lot of them just have to do with getting the proper amount of sleep and doing things that you love and organizing your space, so I'm really trying to make a solid effort to do all of these things and see if I feel better after doing them by the end of the week.
so I'll compromise.
Guys, I posted a video this morning for the first time in like 2 weeks, which is the longest I've gone in a while. And the comments are already making me tear up, but like in the best way possible. These are happy tears, not sad tears, because I am just so beyond lucky to have you guys. It is ridiculous. Like, I don't know if I'll ever be able to properly articulate how grateful I am to have this platform and to have those of you who continue to support me. I just feel like the luckiest girl in the world. So I'm sitting here reading the comments whenever I can and obviously responding. And I just feel so good. I feel like I'm feeling myself again, which is cool. All right, it's Wednesday and I look like this after work. That really can only mean one thing. I'm going on a date tonight. I realize I haven't really vlogged much today. It's because I was working and nothing really exciting happens from the hours of like 9 to 5. But once I was done with work, I went and I got my nails done and I got my eyebrows done, and now we're here. I just quickly got ready, wrapped up some last minute work because I had some client emails come through and it's like 8 p.m. But regardless, it's gonna be fun. I'm actually really looking forward to it, and I'll show you guys my outfit before I head out. Here's the fit. I'm breaking out this Princess Polly bodysuit that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. Such a good piece. I also feel like this is really good for a date night outfit because it has an open back, so it's like kind of sexy, but then also the front is pretty plain, so it's a little bit of everything. I'm wearing these wide leg jeans with just a pair of booties. You know, very classic. And then I'm just gonna bring a little shoulder purse with me. We are going to a place called Due West, which is in the East Village. Bitch! We are going to a place called Due West, which is in the West Village. So that means I can walk. My pre-date routine, other than, you know, getting myself ready, is I always listen to a few like hot girl songs is what I like to call them. Just songs that, I don't know, make me feel confident. And then I always call my friend Emily. I do those two things and then I walk up to the restaurant. And I haven't really had a terrible date thus far, so clearly something about the routine is working. But like I said, it's literally 8:15 and the restaurant is about 15 minutes away, so I should go. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning.
How long has it been? Feels like forever, noticing everything like the hair.
Good morning everyone and happy Saturday. Last time I spoke to you was Wednesday. I have not done any vlogging within the past 2 because I have been working with literally no time to do anything fun.
Can't even handle myself. It's been going too long.
I'm out for my morning walk right now, so I figured I'll just give you a quick fit check. This is what we're working with. Whipping out the green bag from Princess Polly because I love it oh so very much. I just got off the phone with my mom for like a half hour. I was talking to her and it was really nice. I had lots to catch her up on, but I'm trying to think of the last time I spoke to you guys. It was Wednesday. I had a date. It went very well. I think I'll end up seeing him again, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Life is good.
19, so many different scenes.
I'm like pretty sure, 99% sure, this is Carrie Bradshaw apartment in Sex and the City. It's on Perry Street. Never actually looked up which one it is, but I'm like 90% sure it's that one. It is literally the middle of October and I am sweating wearing a tank top, but all of that is about to change today because it's supposed to start pouring right later on, and then the entirety of the next week and probably the week after that, the high is like 55, so fall is officially here.